And it's a very interesting setup. We've got two named storms in the East Pacific. Usually we're not really worried with what's going on out here in the East Pacific for our local forecast, but Max and Lydia are both going to send their moisture to the Gulf. We've got an area of showers and storms in the southwestern Gulf. Hurricane Center is giving out a very low chance of organizing. And regardless, I think this is going to be a Gulf low pressure and a lot of moisture is coming on with it. So here's how it's going to evolve. Precision cast through today, not much happening in the local area. Lots of rain and moisture down here towards Mexico. That's what's left over of Max. There's Lydia moving into Mexico on Tuesday. All that moisture getting pulled up to the northern Gulf. And then here it comes. The rain starts to move in late Tuesday night through early Wednesday. We'll have passing showers throughout Wednesday. Notice where the heaviest of it is in the Gulf of Mexico. This is where we have the more unstable air underneath this warm front. So I do think it's going to be more of that light to moderate rain and most of the heavy rain, the severe weather remaining in the Gulf of Mexico. That's if the low pressure stays just south of us. If that low decides it wants to get a little closer, then we will have that chance of heavier rain and we'll have higher rain totals. So right now the rainfall forecast is going for anywhere from ½ inch up to maybe 2 inches. Coastal areas 2 to 3 to 4 inches, and then out in the Gulf is where you get over 4 to 5, maybe even up towards 5 to 8 inches in a few locations. So we'll keep an eye on this. There's going to be a very fine line of heavy rain and lighter rain. Winds are also going to be breezy on Wednesday with that Gulf low pressure nearby, gusting probably 30 miles an hour, but sustained around 20 or so. So rain chances are highest Wednesday. We need the rain because of the drought. We'll have a few showers and storms Thursday and Friday, and then our next cold front blast on in. And by this upcoming weekend, another nice one. So we finally settled into a pattern that is more seasonal. We have 70s in the forecast. This weekend's going to be very similar to what we saw yesterday. And today we'll have cool mornings and mild afternoons. But Wednesday is our most active weather day here. We'll keep you updated if anything changes. Just check back in daily to see if there are any changes. And if you're going to be on the water, today's going to be great. Tomorrow's going to be okay. But Wednesday, a no-go small craft advisory is likely as those winds could gust over 30 to 35 knots. High tide today is going to run through the daytime hours, and your low tide is going to be running mainly after sunset.